under foreign exchange rate. Let's learn in our video number 28 about the last in foreign exchange, the foreign exchange market. What is a foreign exchange market? It is the market for national currencies of different countries in the world. It's a market where buying and selling takes place. So this is a foreign exchange market in which national currencies are marketed or transacted. So here the buyers and sellers buy and sell foreign exchange. The functions of foreign exchange market are transfer function, that is transfer of purchasing power in terms of foreign exchange across different countries of the world. The second is the credit function. It implies provision of credit in terms of foreign exchange for export and import of goods and services across different countries of the world. The third is the hedging function. A hedge means a fence, a protection. So what is the hedging function? It implies protection against the risk related to foreign exchange rate. Any variations in the foreign exchange rate is the risk. Hence, the hedging function is protection against risk related to foreign exchange rate. Foreign exchange rate is locked for future supplies of foreign exchange. The foreign exchange market operates either as a spot market. A spot market would otherwise be called as current market or as forward market. A spot market is that which handles only spot transactions or current transactions. Here the transaction is made at that point when the foreign exchange is being exchanged. It is of daily nature. So there is no transaction that would take place at a future date. So it is of daily nature and happens then and there. There are no future deliveries. That means it cannot be forwarded to a future date. Then the rate of exchange in a spot market is called spot rate of exchange, which prevails at the time when transaction takes place. At that very moment when the transaction is taking place, at that point when the payment is made or it is exchanged, then the transaction is called as spot rate of exchange. Here speculation is not possible because transaction is made then and there, and therefore it does not allow hedging. Now what was hedging? Just now we learned that hedging means avoiding the risk of adverse change in exchange rate by assigning foreign exchange transactions for future delivery. Since here there is no future delivery and transaction is made on the spot, hedging will not be possible. Then we have the forward market. Forward market is that market in which transactions that are meant for future delivery. That means you can make a transaction now, but the delivery would be made at a later date. So transactions that are assigned today but materialize at a later date. It does not deal with on-the-spot transactions. Only they are signed on that day. Transaction or the money would be paid at a later date. The exchange rate is that when forward transactions are to be honored. So since the transaction does not take place at that point of time, the exchange rate that is prevailing on that future date would be considered. So this avoids the risk of any adverse change in exchange rate. And one can make speculative gains, that is, it allows hedging. So suppose tomorrow at a later date, the rate of exchange is going to increase. So he can make a transaction at that point, or if the exchange rate is going to fall, then he can very well wait for a later date to make his transaction complete. So here speculative gains are possible, and therefore hedging also possible. So hedging is to avoid that risk of adverse change in the exchange rate. So the risk can be very well handled over here. So those were the three functions of the foreign exchange market, and generally the questions that are asked are about the hedging function, the forward market and the spot market, or the differences between the spot market and the forward market.